This is a simple takedown of the stainless steel 38 Special Derringer. This particular one is American Firearms in San Antonio, Texas. Somewhat of an unusual weapon to be showing, but I've had this for many years, shot it quite a bit. To clean it, pull the grips off, open the side slide to check it, make sure there's nothing in it. This has the same rifling as any other pistol. It's got two firing pins, one primary, one secondary. That's all there is to it. You don't take the top barrel loose from the frame. It's got an extractor. It's got a shell extractor, which is not spring loaded, but it is a shell extractor. Same thing. I use a Remington lightweight lubricant oil on all moving. This right in here has a spring. It also has a float reservoir that just floats. That spring floats in here. Don't load that up with oil. It has nowhere to go. Just lightly oil that spring. There's also a spring right here for the hammer, which you can see right here. I lightly oil right in there. Also around this button. Put it back together. It's got an alignment for the grips. There again, this is sometimes somewhat tricky because that floats in there. You have to make sure that's moved out of the way. And there you have it. I'll put some lightweight oil around the trigger, around this screw that's got a set spring in it that operates this lever. That's it. Right here, you've got a primary and a secondary firing pin. I'll put a lightweight oil right here, and down on the bottom one I'll put lightweight oil.